Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox a package from our YouTube friend, and her name is
Jocelyn. So let's see what she sent.
Yes.
I heard there's a product from the Philippines. So let's see what she sent.
By the way, her YouTube channel, guys, is Jocelyn's Philippine Kitchen. And so many put open though.
Let's see here.
Is it from here?
Okay, a good start.
Ate Jocelyn, thank you so much.
I'm in some progress. Just need to cut it here. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside.
Wow. Look guys, I really miss Odong. And there's more. Hello. Wow, thank you Ate Jo.
Wow.
Suman, there's more. And Samyang noodles.
Spicy challenge.
Yeah, we'll do the challenge. Yeah. Suman and Odong. Thank you so much, Ate Jocelyn. God bless you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to
Hit the bell button and subscribe.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye. This is Q Family Vlogs.